Alright, hello guys, this is DXD and I'm going to show you how to install a virtual machine with Kali Linux on it. And the virtual machine could have multiple operating systems on it and you do whatever. You have snapshots too where you can take a snapshot of that point, and if you want to mess around, if you just completely destroy the operating system, you could snap back and you're okay. Okay, so first off, I'll have links in the description where these are. You go Kali Linux first. This one download takes a little bit longer. You go to this 64-bit or 32, most in the last 10 years probably. Last 12 years, 64-bit is primarily what you do. You can torrent, but I recommend just downloading it. Torrent if you have a bit that you need something. You want to take it. You want to get a qubit, 2-bit, but you don't want to do that. If you there's a risk of viruses. Anyways, so you want this VMware right here. Click the download. I already downloaded it. You just go to your file where you want it to download. For me, I actually wanted to. I put it in a different. So I put it in this folder right here, and it's right here. You will need WinRAR. This is free. Okay, select your operating system right here. Boom, that's it. That's all you have to do. So I'll keep links in the description if you don't have this, if you're really new. Okay, and next up you need to get is VMware. So once you downloaded this, and you also need to extract the files, I just usually click extract here because it's already in the folder, but you could extract right here too, doesn't matter. Okay, once you got this done, you extracted all these files, you just leave them there, don't mess with them. You got virtual reality. You do make sure it's the workstation. Go to workstation. Okay, once you have all this downloaded and you did like this on the wizards, like the setup wizard, you just click next, next, next. You just click through it. What you do is you click open. You want to click the open virtual scene. We're not going to create one, like that's just, this makes it easier. VMware makes it easy. Before you did have to create your own, but now you don't have to. So what you got to do is just click uh, you have a file. Okay, mine's a little different because I already did mine, but you have a file like this, and you just click that, and it'll be the one that's clickable. So my case would be this one. You just click that one. So I don't know if that's hard to explain it. So you basically, there's gonna be one folder. You're gonna click it, and you're gonna click the one. It's gonna be in like this picture. But this one, since it's already VMware, it's like that. Okay, and then once you open up, okay, now that we're in it, oh, if you do get it's wait a second, AMD Air, it will say something like AMD VR is not in the it's like disabled or something. What that really is the SMP, I think, or M, one of those settings. I refer to a video if you're having that problem. There's a good YouTube video for that, and that's how I got through it. Guys, just if you don't know anything, Google it or just try. It's a struggle sometimes, but just try to find things out. Okay, now that you got this down and you edited this out, like you want it, whatever works for you. I think the minimum processor is 4. I could be wrong, but that's what I think. So you click play. Boom. Okay, mine's a little different. Let me just restart mine. Yeah, that noise is annoying. Besides that, we're good. Okay, you'll see this. Let's just click enter. It's loading, let it do that. Okay, now the default, by default, since you don't have no passwords or anything, you click Kali, so K-A-L-I, and you just do the same thing for the default password. Boom, you're in. Now you be on, okay, let's do some cool stuff. But guess what? You can't do all cool stuff with a regular user. Some of the stuff requires root. Now, if you don't know what root is basically like has all the permissions. It's pretty much admin of Windows. Has access to everything. Okay, regular users don't. Okay, so what you want to do is go to Kali and then go to switch, go to sudo su, and then you click Kali. Oh yeah, mine. You click Kali, but mine's different because I changed mine. I'm dumb. Make sure you put root. So once you hit sudo switch users and then you click root, and you put your default password in, which won't work for me because I already put my stuff in. Control C to stop that stuff. Since once you put in, it'll say root. So for me, this is not it. For you, once you put that in, you'll be root access. Now to change your password at root, you click wwsd root, and that's how you change all your passwords. You could change Kali and just make it Kali. Oh shit. Yeah. It's not the same. It's the same. Okay, so once you do that, you're pretty much all good to go to learn. So just to recap, if you switch. I swear I'm dyslexic. Don't judge. So once you got to Kali, you're in the Windows systems and you did all the. If you had the error, I will refer you to another YouTube video that's great for that. What you do next is you go to sudo. Sudo is granting access, so basically like permission from the higher ups, and then you go to switch user, which su switch user, and you go to root. Root access is the administrator. Then once you do that, you put your password for that for Kali, your user. Mine won't work because I guess it will work. It's best practice to not be in root like this. Don't do stuff in root because that's a security risk. Someone hacks you, they have root access. Like that's just boom boom. Like they don't have to work for anything. You can't detect it. It's just you can detect it, but you make it a lot easier, a lot easier. They don't have to enumerate and look for stuff. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and I hope this enjoyed you. If you have any questions, hopefully I can answer. Please leave in the comments section. And if you enjoyed this video and you thought this video was helpful or informational, please give me a like or subscribe. I appreciate it.